Good day to all super momshies in the world, including the young and beautiful ladies. Welcome back to Expat Journey TV. If you are new in this channel, subscribe now and press the notification bell for more new videos update. Super momshies, today we're going to experiment something. We will see if we're going to succeed. So if you are ready, super momshies, we're going to start now. Okay, super momshies, this is the melty glass that I have bought it yesterday when I was just curious to have this type of cup, and I don't want to throw it. That's why I put in my mind we're going to create unique flower vase out of these materials. So these are the cardboard that we're going to use it. We are just going to remove this. We're going to remove these things. Then after, we will cut it into pieces. Okay, super momshies, this is it. So we're going to use, of course, this glue. We are finished, super momshies, and attaching the cardboard. So this is how it looks like. Now we're going to paint. I just I know maybe this is not the correct combination, but I want just to experiment how it looks like. So when I put these three colors, it became like this, but it's okay. I just want to play and experiment something to see what would be the result of this. So this is how I'm going to paint. Of the bottom part also we are going to color. Alright, Super Momshies, this is the result. The one I painted, I mixed it, these three colors, and it happened when it was already dried. It's already dried actually, so it happened, this is the color. So I don't know how you call this one. You call it forest green, green forest, I don't know. And also this one, I made also this without thinking, just I made the corrugated cardboard and painted with something like it's also three colors, so it came up into this color. So Super Momshies, you can do also your flower vase out of this and try to do some experiment, and you will find out the result at the end. Alright, Super Momshies, let me know your thoughts at the comment section. So before we will end up the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, give me a thumbs up, and mega shout out to everybody, for subscribers and non-subscribers and the silent viewers. Thank you so much and see you next time. Babushi.